to see things back up historically, spring market. This is the time where people are out and about, would love to go to an open house, even if they're just pretending. If they like the house enough, maybe it's not time to pretend, it's time to actually make an offer. As far as where rates will go, we have the indicators, but that's for a crystal ball, and nobody can really tell you that for sure. You always have the opportunity to do a refinance later when rates do go back down. Typically, real estate does move on a 10-year cycle. Now that may be 11 years, 12 years, or that may be 8 years at a time, but historically, rates are still lower now than back in the mid-'80s, back when, you were paying 17% roughly to finance a home. Home prices have gone up, which kind of reflects where rates are now. So ultimately, I'm still expecting that we're going to see a thaw come in the next couple weeks, couple months. Even right now, a lot of sellers are eager to put their properties on the market. So inflation is just the value of your dollar. So if you're concerned about inflation right now, wouldn't you rather put your money to work for you and begin to build equity in a property that you own, rather than just taking 1 or 2 more years to lease that house, and at the end of those 2 years, you still have done nothing to financially protect yourself?